While it's a common belief that certain foods have almost 0 calories, it's important to note that all foods have some caloric content. However, some foods are very low in calories. Here's a list of some foods that are generally considered to be low in calories. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are composed mostly of water, making them very low in calories. They are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. Celery. Celery is extremely low in calories and is mostly water. It adds a crunchy texture to dishes and is often used in salads or as a snack. Radishes. Radishes are low-calorie root vegetables that can be eaten raw or cooked. They provide a peppery flavor and a satisfying crunch. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in water and low in calories. They are versatile and can be added to salads, sandwiches, or eaten on their own. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is low in calories. It's high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale. Kale is another leafy green that is low in calories and packed with nutrients. It can be used in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is low in calories. It provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is low in calories. It can be used as a low-carb substitute for rice or mashed potatoes. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are low in calories and high in fiber. They are also a good source of vitamins and antioxidants. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that is relatively low in calories. It's a refreshing snack, especially during hot weather. Strawberries. Strawberries are low-calorie berries rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They can be enjoyed fresh or added to various dishes. Blueberries. Blueberries are another low-calorie berry that is packed with antioxidants and beneficial nutrients. Oranges. Oranges are a citrus fruit that is low in calories and high in vitamin C. They make for a sweet and nutritious snack. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a citrus fruit known for its tart flavor. It's low in calories and provides vitamins and antioxidants. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable that can be used in various dishes, such as stir-fries or spiralized as a pasta alternative. Asparagus. Asparagus is a low-calorie vegetable rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It adds a unique flavor to meals. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories and can be a savory addition to many dishes. They also provide some essential nutrients. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful vegetables low in calories. They are a good source of vitamins and can be eaten raw or cooked. Lettuce. Various types of lettuce, such as iceberg or romaine, are low in calories and commonly used as the base for salads. Green beans. Green beans are a low-calorie vegetable that can be steamed, sautéed, or added to salads for a crunchy texture. Here are 5 recipes incorporating these ingredients. These foods aren't truly 0 calories, they are low-calorie options. Spinach and mushroom omelette. Ingredients: spinach, mushrooms, eggs, salt and pepper, olive oil. Instructions: sauté sliced mushrooms in olive oil until tender. Add fresh spinach and cook until wilted. Whisk eggs and season with salt and pepper. Pour eggs over the mushrooms and spinach. Cook until the eggs are set, then fold the omelette. Serve hot as a low-calorie, protein-packed meal. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Ingredients: zucchini, cherry tomatoes, pesto sauce, store-bought or homemade, Parmesan cheese, optional. Instructions: spiralize zucchini into noodles. Cut cherry tomatoes in half. Toss zucchini noodles and cherry tomatoes with pesto sauce. Optionally, sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Serve as a light and flavorful pasta alternative. Bell pepper and broccoli stir-fry. Ingredients: bell peppers, assorted colors, broccoli florets, soy sauce, garlic, minced, ginger, grated, Sesame oil. Brown rice, optional. Instructions. Stir-fry bell peppers and broccoli in sesame oil. Add minced garlic and grated ginger. Drizzle with soy sauce and toss until vegetables are tender. Serve over brown rice if desired or enjoy on its own. Berry salad with mint. Ingredients: strawberries, blueberries, mint leaves, Greek yogurt, optional, honey, optional. Instructions: slice strawberries and mix with blueberries. Chiffonade mint leaves and add to the berries. Optionally, serve over a dollop of Greek yogurt. Drizzle with honey for a touch of sweetness. Enjoy as a healthy and satisfying dessert or snack. Stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients: bell peppers, any color, quinoa, black beans, canned, drained, and rinsed, corn kernels, salsa, cumin, paprika, and chili powder for seasoning, shredded lettuce, optional. Instructions: cut bell peppers in half and remove seeds. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. In a bowl, mix cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, salsa, and seasonings. Stuff bell peppers with the mixture. Bake until the peppers are tender. Serve on a bed of shredded lettuce if desired. In conclusion, incorporating low-calorie foods into your diet not only supports weight management but also provides essential nutrients for overall health. The recipes mentioned, featuring ingredients like cucumbers, tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms, and more, offer a variety of flavorful and satisfying options. Remember to maintain a balanced and diverse diet to ensure you receive a range of nutrients. These recipes can be adapted to suit your taste preferences, making it easier to enjoy nutritious meals while managing caloric intake. Embracing such dishes contributes to a healthy lifestyle and promotes overall well-being.